Yeah, in this video we're going to see about the difference between the let, const and var. So we all know that we have three types in declaring variable in JavaScript. First one it's let. Let is like a block scope. So if you declare a variable with the let with the value 10, right? So we can able to reassign the number value again, but it's a block scope only. If in case of constant, right, so we we can't reassign the variable value and as well as variable within a block scope. So var is like a global scope, so we can able to reassign the value and as well as the we can redeclare the variable once again equal to 20. So these are the difference between the let, const and var. So we can say let and const it's from ECMAScript 6 only. So var can be a hoisting variable, so let and const can't be a hoisting variable. Hoisting is nothing but while running a JavaScript code, right? So it moves to the global top of the code, and it's assigned with the undefined. So using this we can able to access the var variable before its declaration.